If you have ever felt a little lost or like you need extra guidance in life, you are in the right place. So today we are diving into a topic that can bring so much clarity and support. Working with spirit guide. How to work with spirit guide. So what exactly are spirit guide? Think of them as your personal cheerleaders, mentors, helpers from spirit realm. They are loving, wise beings who are here to assist you on your journey in life. They are not here to control you, but to offer insight, gentle nudge, and support. And secondly, you don't need to be a prophet, a pastor, a seer, or possess any spiritual power, or have any special power to connect with them. Everyone has spirit guide. The spirit that guides them, the spirit that always show them the right thing or right way to follow. But sometimes we ignore the spirit, and sometimes we don't even believe the spirits or even believe that they exist. They are just waiting for you to open up to them, to open up and listen. You might be wondering or thinking, why should I bother working with this spirit? I want you to imagine having access to infinite wisdom, unconditional love, and guidance on demand. They can help you with anything, from big life decisions to everyday challenges. They can offer comfort when you are sad, inspires you when you are stuck, and even help you find that parking spot. Seriously, they are there for everything. Spirit guide. If you can activate your spirit guide, I believe it will be hard for you to lose things or to make silly mistakes. Now, the most important thing is how to connect with this spirit guide. The most important thing is, how do you actually connect with your spirit guide? It's simpler than you might think, and it really comes down to three main steps. The first step is simply decide that you want to connect. Speak it out loud and write it down, or just think it in your mind. Say something like, I am open and ready to connect with my spirit guide. This simple act send a signal to your spirit guide, to your creator. The problem is our lives are too noisy and too busy, both external and internal. To hear your spirit guide, maybe you are seeking for a direction for a specific thing, or you just want your spirit guide to lead you on a purpose or on a journey, and you want to hear them clearly to understand that you got this direction from your spirit guide. You must create a space, create some space where no one can distract you, where you can easily focus and concentrate and connect your mind and your spirit in a very calm and quiet place. Take a full deep breath, spending time in the Word of God. Look for a verse that is speaking for what you are looking for. I don't know, maybe you want to travel, or maybe you want to make a decision, or maybe you want to start up something and you are confused about it, like you want a direction. Look for a specific verse that talks about seeking the way from God. Look for a Bible verse that speak about God revealing things to his children. A verse that talk about God's guidance, because this spirit is actually spirit of God. We call it spirit guide because it's specifically based on guiding. Secondly, look for a Bible verse that spoke about God revealing things to his children, like God guiding you or you seeking guidance from God. Meditate on that specific verse and keep quiet. Thirdly, listening to a calm music. Find a worship song that is deeply, own it and listen to it. Connect your spirit and your mind. Focus. Connect deeply spiritually. Ask whatsoever you want to ask, like anything that you need for your spirit guide to do for you. Connect it. If you do this correctly, definitely there will be an answer that will just hit your head or your mind. There's something that will just pop up. Like for instance, you want to travel to you want to travel, but you don't know where to travel to. You're just confused. And the moment you are worshiping, the moment you are meditating, the moment you are reading the verse, a specific state or a certain country pop up to your mind. It comes with power that you know that this direction is from God. It's not just an imagination. It's not just like a thinking. But this is a direction from Spirit of God. This is very crucial. Your spirit guide respect your free will. This means they won't interfere unless you ask for help. When you are asking for help, be specific with what you want to ask or what you want to know or what you need. Instead of what should I do with my life? Ask what is the next small step or what's the next step I should take towards my dream career? I don't know if you see the difference between the two questions. Number one said, what should I do with my life? And the second one says, what's the next step can I take towards my dream career? Or maybe, please show me a sign about this decision. For those that want to settle down and you are confused if this person is the right person, instead of you running from different men of God and women of God, ask your spirit guide direction. Please show me a sign about this decision. How do you know they are answering you? Spirit guides communicate in most subtle ways. It's not usually a booming voice. Look out for this. Number one, you might start having dreams. You might have dreams for that specific thing that you ask for. You understand? Secondly, you might receive an instruction. It's not a thinking, it's not an imagination. For instance, you want to open a business and you never include clothing business when you're asking that question. You don't even have business as an option, and all of a sudden you just heard that voice inside of you, open a clothing business or open this business or go for this. You feel like someone talked to you but inside of you, not physically. Next, sudden idea or insights. You might be doing something completely unrelated and suddenly the answer to your question just pop into your head. Now, the key is to be aware and open. The more you practice, the clearer their message will become. Alright, so guys, if you find this video helpful so far and you are excited about connecting with your own spirit guide, do me a huge favor, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comments below type the word guidance. Engagement really helps this channel to grow and allow me to create more content like this. So guys, connecting with your guide is like building a relationship. It takes time, practice and trust. Things to keep in mind when connecting with your spirit. Number one, journal. Write down your questions. Write whatever that comes to your mind. You might be surprised by the insights that just flow in. Number two, practice gratitude. Thank your guide for their help, even for the smallest signs. Appreciation strengthens the connection. Number three, trust yourself. The messages will often come through your own intuition. Trust that inner voice, even if it seems illogical at first. So guys, before we wrap up, there are a few really important points that you shouldn't miss. Number one, patience is the key. Don't get discouraged if you don't feel a strong connection immediately. Keep practicing. Number two, they are always there. Even if you don't feel them, your guide are always present watching over you. Number three, discernment. Always use your own discernment. If a message ever feels negative, fear-based, or goes against your highest good, it's not from your guide. True guides only offer love and support. So guys, working with your spirit guides is a peaceful and empowering journey.